Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Bask Bank. Bask Bank is a relatively new bank that has been making a lot of headlines lately. They're offering some really interesting products and services, and I'm curious to see if they're a good fit for me. But before we get into the details, I want to take a step back and talk about what a local bank is. A local bank is a bank that is based in your community. They typically have a few branches in the area, and they're focused on serving the needs of their local customers. Now, Bask Bank is not a local bank in the traditional sense. They don't have any physical branches. However, they are still focused on serving the needs of their local customers. They offer a number of products and services that are specifically designed for people who live in the San Francisco Bay Area. So, is Bask Bank a good fit for you? That depends on your individual needs and circumstances. But I think it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a bank that is focused on serving the needs of its local community. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a closer look at Bask Bank. Bask Bank is a relatively new bank that was founded in 2018. They are headquartered in San Francisco, California. Bask Bank is a member of the FDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000. Bask Bank offers a number of products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, certificates of deposit, mortgages, credit cards, business banking. Bask Bank is also known for its innovative technology. They offer a mobile app that makes it easy to manage your finances. They also have a number of online banking features that are not available at other banks. One of the things that I like about Bask Bank is their commitment to sustainability. They are a carbon-neutral bank, and they are committed to using recycled materials in their packaging. Bask Bank is also a socially responsible bank. They donate a portion of their profits to charity, and they offer a number of financial products and services that are designed to help underserved communities. Overall, I think that Bask Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a modern, innovative, and socially responsible bank. Pros and cons. Now that we've taken a look at some of the pros of Bask Bank, let's also talk about some of the cons. One of the cons of Bask Bank is that they don't have any physical branches. This can be a disadvantage for people who prefer to do their banking in person. Another con of Bask Bank is that their fees can be a bit higher than some other banks. For example, their overdraft fee is $35, which is higher than the average overdraft fee of $34. However, Bask Bank does offer a number of perks that can offset the higher fees. For example, they offer free ATM withdrawals at any ATM in the world. They also offer a number of cashback rewards programs. Ultimately, whether or not Bask Bank is a good fit for you will depend on your individual needs and circumstances. But if you're looking for a modern, innovative, and socially responsible bank, Bask Bank is definitely worth considering. So, is Bask Bank a local bank? Not in the traditional sense, but they are definitely focused on serving the needs of their local community. They offer a number of products and services that are specifically designed for people who live in the San Francisco Bay Area. Overall, I think that Bask Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a modern, innovative, and socially responsible bank. They offer a number of unique features that make them stand out from the crowd. If you're interested in learning more about Bask Bank, I encourage you to visit their website or check out some of their social media channels. You can also sign up for their newsletter to receive updates about their latest products and services. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about Bask Bank. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.